One of the things that a lot of painters are scared of is to look like a tool in front of the other painters. So they tend to, I want to look cool, I want to wear the nice clean clothes, I don't want to get paint on my hands, I don't want to get on my knees, because that'll make me look like a loser. I don't want to hop on the trolley because then, I look like an idiot. Well, let me tell you something. After you do this for nearly 40 years, you don't give a F. Flying F about what anybody else thinks, because I know by hopping on this trolley I am saving my back. I've just flipped around, done a 300 square metre house, and my back is fine. So when I do the lower bits, I then hop up on my stool and I do the higher bits and I meet where I join up. It's that simple. So I instead of just doing the one thing all day long, I break it up. I do the lows, I do the highs. I do the rolling, I do the brushing, I break it up. Don't be scared to use tools to your advantage, because if you don't use tools to your advantage while you can, you're not going to be a painter for very long, because you're going to be on the pension. Unemployment, sickness because of your back or your knee or your elbow or your shoulder or something like that. Don't be scared, because that's peer group pressure. And I don't fall for peer group pressure. Show you my little trolley. I've had this trolley for 10 years, maybe longer. It's just a piece of ply, screwed in, bit of no more gaps there. I can carry no more gap tubes or putty behind there. So it's got a little edge there to keep stuff in. It'll hold a punch, a hammer and a punch. It's got a backrest which is quite flexible. So these are actually brackets for a patio on steel frame homes. These are probably the most expensive things. I think they're probably around $100 a set. And you need the big wheels, because the big wheels allow you to jump over extension leads or anything like that where there could be a problem. These, like I said, are very old. I've never oiled them. There are bearings in there, which probably wouldn't hurt to throw some grease or something, but I never have. And it sits out in the sun, in the rain, you can see it's falling apart. Whenever I think about it, I'll throw a screw in it, but very rarely. So that's my little trolley. And I can screw around on that faster than you can imagine.